Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful earring design. For making this I am using cotton thread and pearl cotton thread, plier, a ring jump ring, earring hook, golden beads and pendant pearl and a ring. I am using 0.9 mm crochet hook and fabric glue and scissor. So let's start. One single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet. So I will cover this ring by making single crochet all around and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch, and now I will cut the thread. Now I will adjust it with the help of glue. Here it is. Now we will make flower. Start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 2 chain, 1 double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring, and 2 chain. Connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 1 double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring, two chain, connect in ring by slip stitch like this. So I will make total 5 petals and complete my work. I have completed my 5 petals. Now I will cut the thread. Pull it down and tight this magic ring thread. Here is our flower. I already made a pink flower. Now I will paste flowers over the ring. Now I will paste golden beads in center of flowers. Now let it dry. Now I will add jump ring and pendant pearl. Now I will add earring hook. Now our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.